Hello everyone! Today we're going to draw a super cute house and a beautiful apple tree next to it. Step 1. Let's draw the body of the house. Start by drawing a big square or rectangle. This will be the main part of our house. Step 2. Let's draw the door and windows. Draw a door in the middle. Then add a few windows on the upper part of the house. Step 3. Let's add the roof. Now, draw a big triangle on top of the house. This triangle will be our roof. Don't forget to add a chimney on top. Step 4. Let's draw the apple tree. Next to the house, draw a tall tree trunk. On top, draw a big, fluffy cloud shape for the leaves. Now, add some round apples on the tree. Step 5. Let's color it in. Now comes the most fun part. Color your house and apple tree any way you like. You can make your house blue, the roof red, and the tree green. Awesome! Now you have your very own beautiful house and apple tree drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings.